up at dawn. We hustle no fuss, train our bodies till the daylight is dust. Sweat on our brows, keep pushing, it's a must. Running on ambition, chasing dreams we trust. Head down, strategize. We aim with precision, with laser sharp eyes. Endurance in our veins till the limit is nigh. Nerves of steel, we rise to the endless sky. Never intend to scream, keep it all cool. In this game of life where nobody's fool. Nowadays net rushers try to break the rule, but we stand tall in this sportsman's school. We're ready and aware, from the thick of the night till the morning air. Isolate the doubts, leave them stranded there. Smash every hindrance in this world so fair. Sometimes won't catch us, we're ready and aware, from the thick of the night till the morning air. Isolate the doubts, leave them stranded there. Smash every hindrance in this world so fair. Sometimes we surf, sometimes we rise. Every setback, another disguise. Victory's an art, there's no compromise. In the court of heart, under open skies. Never intend to scream, keep it all cool. In this game of life where nobody's fool. Nowadays net rushers try to break the rule, but we stand tall in this sportsman's school.